XRP to $1,000. What Edward Snowden just revealed about XRP. Pay attention. Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss exciting news of XRP. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
In the world of cryptocurrencies, XRP is quite different. It is decentralized, but not as much as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the likes. Unlike them, it doesn't seek to be an alternative to the traditional banking system, but rather to collaborate and improve the conventional banking system. Nonetheless, it is a cryptocurrency. XRP is a cryptocurrency issued by Ripple, and is among the top 10 crypto tokens by market cap. In recent months, it has had its fair share of controversy, with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filing a case against the company behind the crypto asset and its executives. Ripple lawsuit. The lawsuit focuses on whether XRP is a security or not. A multi-million question has not been answered satisfactorily for years, determining the kind of future the digital asset has. While the case's announcement led to a massive slump in value for the asset at first, the token has since rebounded, thanks mainly to retail investors and traders pumping its value, plus the general bull run of the crypto industry towards the end of last year. This proves that Ripple's digital payment network is sound. Recently, Ripple Labs have taken an increased interest in the potential of the NFT industry and have decided to release $250 million in funds to further research into NFTs. The emergence and growth of Ripple XRP. Ripple has been in existence for a while. It was created back in 2004 as Ripple Pay, but the case of its innovation came too early for its time, as it made no significant mark then. However, it returned in 2012 as Ripple, and soon after launched the XRP token. Ripple XRP is unlike any other cryptocurrency. XRP is a product of Ripple Labs and it differs on many levels, and this includes, it is not blockchain-based. Unlike most of the cryptocurrencies in existence, the coin does not operate on blockchain technology. Instead, it is based on the Ripple protocol technology, which means it has no use for a distributed ledger database. This uses gateways linked to servers of the company in multiple countries of the world to verify and process transactions. It cannot be mined. While the mining process is considered an integral part of all tokens, it is not the same for XRP. The limit for XRP coins is set at 100 billion coins created by the company. Over 35% of that coin has been released into the market. The rest is held by the company that releases it periodically to control the supply and circulation of the token. The cryptocurrency is a deflationary one as the number of coins in the market reduces with each transaction. Relationship with banks. This virtual asset is centralized, and its parent company, Ripple Lab, strives to create partnerships with traditional financial institutions like banks. The company sells its RippleNet technology to these institutions, thereby increasing the popularity of its native token, Ripple XRP. RippleNet technology is a system that connects banks and facilitates cross-border payments and settlements. Due to the differences between Ripple XRP and other cryptocurrencies, it also has some advantages. Some of them are transaction speed. This is one of the most significant selling points of Ripple technology. The swiftness of transactions surpasses other cryptocurrencies and beats that of Swift wire transfer, the commonly used system in traditional banking. This makes it a better alternative for banks to facilitate cross-border payments, as its XRP transactions are exceedingly fast. The Ripple transaction protocol is quite efficient too. Low cost. Traditional banking system transactions, and that of some cryptocurrencies, tend to incur hefty transaction fees. But with digital currency, this fee is drastically reduced to a pittance. Reversibility of transactions. Another positive for it is that the transaction can be reversed or edited to deal with an error if there is one. All these features have enabled the Ripple network to gain significant partnerships among traditional financial institutions. And it has also influenced the growth and value of Ripple XRP over the years. Growth in South Pacific. It is a fact that the recent partnership of Ripple with the Japanese payment giant SBI has brought the attention of various technical corporations across the South Pacific region, and it is expected that the entire region will see an expansion and adoption of Ripple tech. It has been said that the Ripple remittance deal is setting the stage for the much broader adoption of Ripple. The lawsuit on Ripple pertaining to its security doesn't seem to bother Japanese regulators or SBI officials. Xrp Price History. For years after its creation, the coin value was so inconsequential that it was almost worthless. Before 2017, the value of the asset hovered around 1 cent, but this soon changed as the token began to gain wider coverage, and it also leveraged on the bull run of the crypto industry in that year. By April 2017, XRP rose to 5 cents. The gradual climb soon continued as it reached 25 cents in May. After this, there was no going back for the asset, as it had snared the attention of crypto enthusiasts who saw the value it created and the potential it had. The value of the asset rose all through 2017 and into the early period of 2018, where it got to an all-time high of $3.84. But this was soon followed by a massive drop in value that affected every other cryptocurrency too. Many had labeled the incredible run of the industry as just a bubble, and like every bubble, it was going to burst. This was panned out in the case of the 2017 crypto industry bull run. Towards the end of 2019, its price stabilized at around 30 cents and did not cross the 50 cents mark all through the year. This means that Ripple XRP hasn't been able to build on its old glory since then, as its value never got to as high as even $1. However, the bullish run of 2020 that was ignited towards the end of the year helped the value of the asset to ascend. The value of the token got to as high as 80 cents before finishing the year at 66 cents. Early 2021 was supposed to be a continuation of the rise in XRP value, but that could not happen due to the SEC's announcement of a lawsuit. Upon the announcement, some exchanges delisted XRP from their platform. Many of those holding the token also sold in panic. This led to the value of XRP plummeting to as low as $0.166. However, it has picked up again, going as high as $0.755. Ripple at present is trading between $1 and 11 cents. Looking at this overview, it is easy to see the high volatility of XRP in the past few months, which makes it difficult to have a Ripple forecast. But the volatility has not stopped analysts from making XRP predictions based on trends. It only means that these forecasts can change at the slightest notice. However, they still give a rough estimate of what to expect from them. As of now, the entire market is going through a bullish sentiment in the long term due to the rise of Bitcoin after the bearish trend and might continue to do so. This Ripple price prediction will consider optimistic outcomes for XRP price forecasts. Ripple price action and price movement. There are several predictions as to what the Ripple forecast would be in 2021, which necessarily reflect the position of the market. This includes its peak prices, what it would be worth by the year end, and its lowest value within the year that we see right now. According to Moody's research, investors can expect 2021 to be a good year for blockchain with a massive increase in standards that will directly influence Ripple price. Already, Ripple's XRP already has development plans in motion for 2021. Given how past developments or even announcements have led to an increase in the value of XRP, the currency might reach $2. This will happen if the actions of Ripple technology lead to a partnership with more financial institutions. In the past, XRP's popularity and, by extension, its increase in value has been heavily influenced by the partnership with these traditional institutions. More partnership will mean more adoption, which invariably means higher value. However, it is not so simple for XRP. The SEC lawsuit complicates the whole issue even further. Before the SEC filed the case, the outlook for XRP was positive, even if it did not make many optimistic. But the lawsuit cuts its breakout short and makes a Ripple price prediction trajectory more challenging, unlike other digital currencies. Considering how difficult it is to predict a digital asset accurately, it is even more difficult for XRP. More traders are acting bearish with the XRP cryptocurrency after the lawsuit, raising fears that it could drop to below 10 cents. However, the price pump by retail investors and traders has allowed it to pick up again. If anything, all these events show how extremely volatile cryptocurrency can be. If XRP should experience a real breakout in 2021, it can reach its all-time high of over $3. But that looks very unlikely as long as the SEC lawsuit hangs over its head. According to Coinpedia, even with the lawsuit hanging over its head, Ripple XRP will trade at an average of $20 in the next 5 years. This, the highest projected price for the year, is $2, while it could also go as minimum price prediction is $0.561 if the SEC lawsuit is not settled in favor of Ripple. Ripple price prediction in 2021. In 2021, there are various firms that have made their version of XRP price analysis. We will discuss their Ripple price forecast. XRP prediction by Wallet Investor suggests that the price of the coin in 1 year will be at $1.699. XRP future price by Wallet Investor short term. Another prediction by Digital Coin puts the XRP price forecast at $1.76 by the end of 2021. This, of course, is relative to the position of XRP in the cryptocurrency market, with the current price at $1.16. There are multiple opinions expressed about XRP price predictions. XRP prediction 2023. While the outlook might not look very positive for 2021, the future USD predictions look excellent. Though it may not be as high when compared with that of Bitcoin or Ethereum, it is expected that its growth will continue, and its value will reach above $3 by 2023. This is an extremely bullish scenario for digital assets. This will happen if all the development plans that Ripple currently has in the offing are initiated, thereby allowing for more partnerships, not just with financial institutions, but also with other institutional investors. Such widening of scope for Ripple will have an immediate benefit for XRP. Digital Coin says that XRP will reach $2.28 by 2023. Is XRP worth buying at present? One of the biggest challenges for traders and investors is whether or not to invest in XRP. It is far cheaper than most of the other cryptocurrencies in the overall crypto market at its current rate. This makes it accessible and easy to buy for many investors and suitable for mass adoption and informational purposes. But in terms of returns, can one say it is worth it? The next 5 to 10 years predictions do not position it as the best investment in the market. After all, it will only increase by 5x or 6x in the next 5 years in the best case scenarios. But a value of less than $1 doesn't look so bad, and the demand is good. The benefits it seems to offer, such as the speed of transactions and low charges, would make it look like a good investment with more potential for institutional backing and development soon. The forecasts for XRP vary widely depending on the analysis and period. However, most of them have two things in common: volatility and a moderately optimistic outlook. The optimistic forecast will depend on the Ripple payment technology's increased adoption in almost all predictions. However, the volatility of the asset could stand as an albatross, as it depends majorly on the outcome of the litigation between its parent crypto company and the financial regulator. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.